Hey guys, it's Zachary Fiorido and I'm your trainer. Today we're doing a 10-minute indoor walking workout. We're going to be moving and grooving, doing some step touches. It's going to be a lot of fun and the music is so good. I really think you're going to love it. So get ready to exercise with me. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to click that subscribe button so that you are subscribed and you know when the next workout is going to drop. If you do want a chair close by all means use it. But again, we're just going to be walking and grooving. So I recommend putting your running shoes on, tying them up, grab some water, and let's get this 10-minute walking workout done right here, right now. Let's get started. All right, march on the spot. 1, 2, good. So quick little steps to get us started with today's workout. We're going to be walking and talking and grooving and having some good times. I hope you like the playlist. Great. So just again, use those arms a bit bigger now. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. Keeping your spine nice and long. All right, we're gonna add on. Hey, hey, stupid Cupid, stop picking on me. Little step, slow, together, out, together, side step. You can always use that chair for support. Out, in, and we pick it up. Let's go, together. Nice. Use those arms. Let's go back into your march. Center, up, down, quick, quick, quick. Now with your arms, we're going to play around with it. Reach in front, back, and back, front, and back. Push. Keep those feet moving.
You got me jumping like a crazy
nice.
Clown. And I don't reach what you put
you got it.
Since I kissed his loving lips and wine, the thing that bothers me is that I like it fine. Hey, set me free.
4, 3,
Stupid Cupid,
2,
stop it
side to
on me.
side.
Hey, set me free.
Tap,
Stupid
tap,
Cupid, stop
tap,
picking on me.
tap. Nice. All right, feeling the groove, feeling good. Nice. We found that rhythm. We're gonna continue on. Step, tap, side to side. All right, and hold. So soft bend in the knees. Bend, 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 bend. 1, 2, 1. So just getting those knees prepped for you. Good. 4, 3, 2, right foot tap, left foot forward. So tap, tap, tap. Forward and back, forward and back. Good. Nice. Now let's add the arm. It's going to be opposite foot, opposite arm. So really think about that. Right leg, left arm. Reach, reach, reach. Nice. Reach to the sky. Hey. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and march again. 2, take those arms side to side. Good. 1 and 2. You can open the arms and do a little sway with your body. 1, 2. Again, we're just trying to get as many steps as we can together. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then as you can see, kind of pick up your knees a little bit higher. Pick up the knees. 1, 2, side, side, side. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the corners. We step left. Right, making a little V-step, V-step, corner, corner, good, corner, corner, tap, aim that foot, turn out, so you're opening the hips. Good, out, out. We're gonna combine this V step. Count you in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. So we're gonna combine 3, 2, 1. We take it out, out, in, switch, out, out, in, together. Left, right, right, left. Out, out, together. Open, open, together. Great. Continue. Can you add the arm? Cross, cross. Cross, cross.
Just in case you feel you wanna hold her.
Make that step. V.
Have a pocket full of
V.
starlight. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket.
Keep it
Never
going.
let it
Catch a
fade
falling
away.
star. Put it in your
Catch a
pocket.
falling star and put it in your pocket.
I love this
Save it
song.
for a rainy
Out,
day.
out. Out, out. 2 more.
For love may come and tap
Alright.
you on the shoulder.
So we're gonna step together. Mambo cha. We'll slow it down first, okay? So cross over together. Right, left, left, right. 1. And you can totally stay here, right? You wanna pick it up. We'll do that cha-cha. Go. 1, 2, quick. 1, 2, quick. 1, cha-cha-cha. Whenever feels good with the arms. Forward. 1, 2, 3. Kind of put the hip in it. Step. 1, 2, 3. Step. Quick. Reach. Cha-cha-cha.
It's easy to forget them without trying.
You got it.
Just a pocket full of starlight. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Never let it fade away.
Quick.
Catch a falling
Quick.
star and
Reach.
put it in your pocket. Save it for
Couple
a
more.
rainy day.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Save it for a
Reach.
rainy day.
2 more. Last time. And good. Back to that march. Ooh, I felt that. Okay. We made it last track. You got this? You're gonna have fun with this, yeah? All right. 1, little bounce. Hey, bounce. Arms again, sway. So sweeping those arms side to side. Reach it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Bop, do bop. Hands up. Reach. Hey. Little bounce. 2 more. And quick. 1, 2. Quick steps. Nice. Big arms. You got it. Oh, booty. 4, 3, 2, 1. Together. Small steps. Tap. Find your balance. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sway. Hey. Quick. 4, 3, 2, center. Quick. 2. All right. All right, bend the knees. Little bend, breathe. There we go. Bend. Take the arms, cross, over, cross. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward, back. Switch the leg. Forward, back. Left, right foot. Right, left. Switch, left, right. Switch. One more. Pick it up. Here we go. Quick step. Forward, back. And if you get lost, just keep moving. Hey. 4, 3, 2, bend the knees, bend, 3, 2, 1, and fan the arms all the way up, all the way down. Roll those shoulders for 3, 2, 1. Ooh, my heart rate's high, I felt that. Let me do a little step tap to get that heart rate under control. Just take some deep inhales, but well done. Thank you so much for working out with me. I hope you enjoyed that workout. It was a lot of fun. It went by so fast. About 10 minutes is all you need. So well done. Maybe kick the leg forward and back. Use that chair. If you like this workout, please be sure to subscribe. Make sure you're in the loop. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what kind of exercises you want to see next or any kind of songs. I'm totally down for making a playlist of whatever are your favorite songs. So let me know in the comments what song you want or what kind of workout next. And yeah, spread the word. Tell your friends and family members or share this video with anyone that you think would like to use it. And if you'd like to help support the channel, I do have a PayPal link down in the description box for any kind of donations. Give me a couple calf raises. 3, 2, 1. Take one more deep inhale. Big exhale. And thank you so much for exercising with me. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay active, stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you in the next workout. Great job today. Bye.